that's an exit dive.
Kind of grinning. He was fooled, and he just got a peep to stay alive. 2-3, work of the night by Jordan Romano. His 15th save of the season locks up a 5-4 win for the Blue Jays tonight. Everybody can exhale. After watching the early pop arrive, the Blue Jays have held back the Orioles and will offer 5-4 win. It is night. On the Sports Net Radio Network.
Make your next career move with 2 men in a truck. The company is hiring motivated and enthusiastic team members for mover, driver, and customer service positions. And if you're looking for more, professional advancement is always a possibility. In fact, 75% of 2 men in a truck managers started in frontline positions. Now is the time to apply. Visit 2meninatruck.ca and click career.
2 men and a truck.
Like checking in or something?
Every all-star, every slugger, every gold glover, speedster or ace needs the right fuel to perform. Just like every bird needs the right speed to sing at their best. I'm Ben Wagner, and if you want to enjoy nature at its finest, Armstrong Bird Food has the perfect blend of seeds, foods, and treats to attract a wide variety of birds to your backyard. Now that's a performance to care about. Visit ArmstrongBirdFood.com for your nearest retailer. Armstrong Bird Food, feeding Blue Jays and other feathered friends since 1986. Want to protect your home base? Count on a GAF roof. GAF is North America's largest roofing manufacturer and the official shingle of the Toronto Blue Jays. Get the accuracy, speed, and strength you'd expect from a top performer with the new Timberline HDZ shingle. Timberline HDZ features a strike zone nailing area for fast, easy installation. GAF's revolutionary Timberline HDZ shingle, now available at a retailer or distributor near you. Visit gaf.ca/HDZ to learn.
Making a right on red. U-turn. I think that person just made a U-turn. Cut off down there.
On the inside corner, a tall strike is 1-2. And as the Blue Jays begin to bat, Jordan Romano is throwing in the bullpen. This would be the first time all season the Blue Jays would ask the right-hander to throw for 3 straight days in a
just
row.
Passed him on the shoulder.
The 1-2 pitch. Guerrero swings and fouls it back. Stays 1 ball and 2 strikes.
Racism and injustice, and protect our planet and our future. The rich have had their prime minister. Strikes you. When you get an online quote, switch to Bel Air Direct. You can save up to $750 on your car and home insurance, which means you can live a little larger. Finally hit that calculating low.
That's short.
Something like number 1 dad, starting taking number 2 dad, or even number 5 dad. The list is still not the top 10. That feels pretty good, doesn't it?
Okay, well, he's no one going anywhere. Now he's going somewhere.